spicy tomatoey noodle sauce and my extra special tips for how to make a beefier noodle. These are my spicy beef and sambal noodles. And of course, because you know, you can never have too much chili in my book, I want a little bit of chili flake here as well. Wait, chili flakes. Just one flake. Just one. Spicy noodles, you guys know I love them. We're going to be doing a spicy sambal beef tomatoey sort of version today. Oh, one of my favorites. Let's get going on the sauce because it's super simple and mainly just pantry ingredients, so very easy to make. For the spicy, I'm using sambal olik, so that's just like a fresh chili paste, a little vinegary, a little garlicky. You could also use Chinese garlic chili paste as well. So I just want a really decent amount of that. You could tone it down a bit, you know, to your taste. Now, I also want some oyster sauce here and some dark soy sauce too, just mainly for a bit of color. Now just give that a mix. Oh, already that color looks so beautiful and spicy. Okay, so now we're ready to fry off our beef and tomato sauce. So just need a little bit of oil and add in your beef. Now, one thing we're going to do here, which is going to make all the difference, is we're going to leave that beef to sit and sear and get nice and crusty and get some nice color on the bottom. It's kind of like that scenario, you know, like when you're frying off beef burgers and it's that beautiful crusty exterior that gives you all the flavor. That's some nice, good, flavorful beef fat rather than that really liquidy, watery stuff. So that is all looking very good to me. Let's just flip that beef over and you can have a look at just how much color we've got on there. Now at this point you can break up some of those chunky bits of beef there, and if you wanted to, you could take out some of that beef fat. Look, I'm kind of like an embrace the fat kind of girl, so I like to leave it in, but you can take it out if you like. At this point what I want though is I'm going to get my onions and garlic, like my aromatics, in there. The reason you add those aromatics in now is because I didn't want the garlic and onion to burn when we were searing off that beef. Now just give those guys a few minutes here to get nice and soft, make friends with the beef. So that's looking good. Time to go in with our tomatoes, and I'm using fresh tomatoes because I had a bunch in my pantry, but a tin of tomatoes here would be totally awesome as well. Okay, just toss those through. And then now let's go in with our spicy sauce. Just mix that through a little and then turn the heat down and let that bubble away for about 15 minutes. All right, so sauce is nearly done. Come and have a look at this gloriousness, guys. I mean, so much intense flavor. Everything is beautifully red and tomatoey and spicy. So now I'm going to get my noodles cooking. I'm just using some rice stick noodles that I've got here, but you could use egg noodles, udon noodles, ramen noodles. Go your own adventure here. All right, just when your noodles are cooked, you want to grab them out, pop them straight into your sauce. Now you just want to toss everything together. Oh, this is literally my favorite part. Love all that glossy sauce getting right in there with those noodles. Oh. And now just pile that up into a nice big bowl. Now, final last minute bits and pieces, a little bit of spring onion. And of course, because you know, you can never have too much chili in my book, I want a little bit of chili flake here as well. Wait, chili flakes. Just one flake. Just one. And because I'm me and I can never have too much chili, I'm gonna add some chili flakes here as well. And there you go, guys, a really simple, spicy beef noodle, but with just a few of those little extra techniques there, like the browning of the beef and that sort of thing, we've got a really special bowl here. Let me see how special, just how special it is. Let's have a look. That is, I mean, so you kind of hit with this like big tomatoey, spicy sauce kind of flavor, and then you get all of that beefiness, that really beefy, good beefy flavor. Just that little extra step makes such a big difference. And those noodles, This is like such a little bowl of heaven. Yeah.